Hey guys, it's me for Overhaul, and welcome to my playthrough of Skyrim Special Edition using the NGVO Modlist. Let's get into it. Alright, so I've been adding or trying to add more mods onto this Modlist because it's supposed to be just a visual overhaul. But I did see that it also had other tools already set up, which is very helpful because that's what I've been looking for. Also, this is probably my second or third attempt at downloading this, and the Discord for this Modlist by Biggie Boss has been very helpful to I guess as like answering my questions and just overall helping me trying to get this to work.
Closest town from here is Riverwood. My uncle's the blacksmith there. I'm sure he'd help you out. It's probably best if we split up. Good luck. I wouldn't have made it without your help today.
Also, since I'm using the controller, I had a problem with
Listen,
a mod that
you should go to Solitude and join up with the
the
Imperial
third person
Legion. We could really use someone like you.
key that I was using on the
if
controller.
the rebels have themselves a dragon,
so I had to disable
General Tullius is the only one who can stop them.
I guess the lock-on target, which comes with a directional movement. I think I don't remember the name right now, but I had to disable that so I can go into third person.
See that ruin up there? Bleak Falls Barrow. When I was a boy, that place always used to give me nightmares. Draugr creeping down the mountain to climb through my window at night. That kind of thing. I admit, I still don't much like the look of it.
Alright, so I added JK Skyrim and 2 patches.
These are the Guardian Stones. 3 of the 13 ancient standing stones that dot Skyrim's landscape.
So let's see how it looks. Yes, as someone said in the Discord,
Too late to take charge of your own fate, you know.
JK Skyrim has a lot of patches. So, and I still haven't looked into what mods are in NGVO that require JK's Skyrim patches.
Listen,
I just
as far
did it
as I'm
for
concerned, you've already
Northern
earned the
Roads.
pardon. But until we get that confirmed by General Tullius, just stay clear of other
And for
Imperial
Lux, I
soldiers
think that
and
was
avoid
it.
any complications, alright?
Guess I'll find out if I need more. Because I really like JK's Skyrim, so I wanted to add it. And I wanted to add JK's interiors, but yeah, I don't know if that's all in one yet or if I'll even be able to. If it makes too many edits, I probably won't use it, man. But because I guess when I stop modding, that's when it
That'll teach you to cross me.
when it was being released. Hold up. Take the pelts.
I'm glad you decided to
It
come
lags
with
for me a bit.
We're almost to Riverwood. Things look quiet enough here. Come on, there's my uncle. Uncle Halvar, hello.
It looks so colorful, man.
Hadvar, what are you doing?
Still debating if I want to continue playing with this Modlist or maybe just choose another one.
Uncle, please, keep your voice down. I'm fine, but we should go inside to talk.
What's going on? And who's this?
He's a friend. Saved my life, in fact. Come on, I'll explain everything, but we need to go inside.
Okay, come inside then. Sigrid will get you something to eat, and you can tell me all about it.
A dragon! I saw a dragon!
What? What is it now, Mother?
It was as big as...
But it looks so good though, man.
Keep on like this, everyone in town will be crazy. And I've got better things to do than listen to more of your
It was a dragon!
Right, sir? Go ahead.
It's all, and then you'll believe
Sigrid, we have company.
Hadvar, we've been so worried about you.
Yeah, why did she walk over
Come,
there and
you
then
two must be hungry.
Bruh.
Sit down and I'll
could
get
have
you
just
something
talked
to
to him
eat.
as soon as he got in?
Now
Get
then,
in place
boy,
and everything.
what's the big mystery? What are you doing here looking like you lost an argument with a cave bear?
I don't know where to start. You know I was assigned to General Tullius' guard. We were stopped in Helgen. We were attacked by a dragon.
A dragon? That's ridiculous. You aren't drunk, are you, boy?
Husband, let him tell his story.
Not much more to tell. This dragon flew over and just wrecked the whole place. Mass confusion. I don't know if anyone else got out alive. I doubt I'd made it out myself if not for my friend here. I need to get back to Solitude and let them know what's happened. I thought you could help us out. Food, supplies, a place to stay.
Of course. Any friend of Hadvar's is a friend of mine. I'm glad to help however I can. Like I said, I'm glad to help in any way I can. But I need your help. We need your help.
Oh, yes, thank you. I'll take everything. Also, I feel short. I'm shorter than everyone at the
The
table.
Jarl needs to know there's a dragon on the loose. Riverwood is defenseless. We need to get word to Jarl Balgruuf in Whiterun to send whatever soldiers he can. If you'll do that for me, I'll be in your debt.
Do you have any supplies I could take? How do I get to Whiterun from here? What can you tell me about the Jarl? Can I use your forge? What can you tell me about Riverwood? What do you think about the wars? 5?
Gerder's family first settled here as woodcutters a few generations ago. She and Hod run the mill. I make a decent living sharpening axes and fixing the sawmill.
Can I use your forge?
I see no harm in it, if you have the skill. The grindstone will improve your weapons. Use the table to improve your armor. If you've got the raw materials, you can use the forge to make something new.
Alright, what do you think about the war?
People are rightly stirred up about the damn Thalmor being allowed to roam around arresting people, just for worshipping Talos. But was it worth tearing Skyrim apart and maybe destroying the Empire? No. Ulfric will have a lot to answer for in the end. Nords have always supported the Empire, and the Empire has always been good for Skyrim.
Why are the Thalmor allowed to arrest people for worshipping Talos?
It's from that treaty that ended the Great War, remember? When the Emperor was forced by the Thalmor to outlaw Talos worship. We didn't pay much attention to it when I was a boy. Everyone still had their little shrine to Talos. But then, Ulfric and his sons of Skyrim started agitating about it. And sure enough, the Emperor had to crack down, dragging people off in the middle of the night. One of the main causes of this war, if you ask me.
Alright. Thank you for the information.
All right, then.
Did you see a dragon? What did it look like? Did it have big teeth?
Well, I'd better get
Oh,
back
yes,
to
I
work.
can take his stuff. Oh, that was an
You two
accident.
Make yourselves at home.
Alright. Take. Sigrid, can I talk to you?
Make yourself at home.
What do you think about the war?
I just hope the war doesn't come to Riverwood. There's enough trouble in the world without those Stormcloaks stirring up more.
Alright.
Alright then.
Take my leave. Wait, can I get up? Get up. Alright.
I trust you're not planning any trouble. What can I do for you, friend?
Time to go. Alright, so my character, his name is Elisejo the Sneaky. He's going to be my thief character. Let me take his helmet off. Doesn't like to wear helmets. Oh. So yeah, let's check out what the landscape looks like. So beautiful. Uh-oh. Change over to the sword. Oh. Else. Gonna blend in with these guys. Talk to him.
The Legion's always looking for strong, capable warriors. If you think you've got what it takes, our headquarters is in Solitude.
Can I free this guy? Free prisoner. Yes.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Though any true
Escape, go on. Run away, dude. Oh no. Run. Did he escape or did they get him? Oh no, I think they took him out. Run. This is really nice. Still following me? Ah. Improve metery. Chicken. Ah. Is that fog? Supposed to look like that? That looks interesting. What is that?
Nani?
What are those lights up there? Am I tripping? Is that High Rothgar? can really be seen from here. Looks like a little city in the sky. But
Halt! City's closed with the dragons about. Official business only.
Riverwood calls for the Jarl's aid. I have news from Helgen about the dragon attack. Persuade. Will this change your mind? 68 gold. Stand aside or else intimidate. I'll come back later. Persuade?
Fine. But we'll be keeping an eye on you.
Alright. Man, it looks so nice.
We'll pay whatever it takes, but we must have more swords for the Imperial soldiers.
Why don't you swallow that stubborn pride of yours and ask Yorland Greymane for help?
I'd sooner bend my knee to Ulfric's Stormcloak. Besides, Greymane would never make steel from a legion.
Have it your way. I'll take the job, but don't expect a miracle.
Nothing.
My lord, please.
Oh,
This
I
is no
dodged
time
you.
for rash
Nope.
action. I just think we need more information before we act.
Nope.
Oh,
Who's... Well, I trust you have something vitally important to tell me. Important enough to interrupt me in the middle of council?
man, this really does look really nice, man. It's all thanks to mods.
Farengar.
We're all thanks
I
to the
think
modding
found
community, I
someone
should
who
say.
can help you with your dragon.
Ugh. What is that? Man. Yeah, it lags for me.
Come on in. Let me know if you need anything.
This is a local
Take a
favorite
seat
and
by the fire,
one of
and
the
I'll
first
send
songs
someone
I ever
over.
learned. Ragnar the Red.
I enjoy this work well enough, but I'm ready to retire. I've been thinking of selling the inn to Isolda. Anyway, what do you need?
Firewood to sell?
Honest gold for honest work.
Heard any rumors lately?
I assume you saw the Gildergreen? Big tree all burnt up in the middle of the Wind District? It's part of the Temple of Kinnareth. People want Danica to do something about it, but I don't know what they expect.
Alright, I'd like to rent a room.
Sure thing, it's yours for a day. I'll show you to your room, right this way.
Now I think it's high time that you lie down and bleed. And so then came clashing and slashing of steel as the brave lass Matilda charged in full of zeal.
Oh.
When his ugly red head rolled around
Bro,
on the floor.
what are you doing?
Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Alright, thank you. Let's go to sleep. Oh, yo. Hours? Oh, that was fast. Jeez. You awaken feeling arrested. There's so dark in here though. Is it remains this way?
Yes, Mum?
You still need to remove that blood stain from the incident.
Of course, Mum.
What?
Incident. Right. Go outside. Does it do that? Oh wow. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. So this Modlist, I'm gonna be, if I can, adding more to it. I guess for personal use. But also I've been thinking maybe I can do a playthrough using this Modlist for the Thieves Guild. And maybe something else, as I'm using another Modlist for the main quest line, which is the Phoenix Flavor. So once again, thank you for watching. And remember, Jesus loves you. Take care.